Thank you for choosing to explore our software for the professional cabinet manufacturer. Cabinet Pro has been designed over a 25-year period for residential, commercial, closet, and garage cabinets, supports both face frame and frameless construction, and is available in several languages including American, Canadian, and Australian English. Cabinet Pro generates high-quality 3D renderings showing your customers the detail and professionalism of your workmanship even before a single cabinet is produced. Once you set up Cabinet Pro for your shop, a number of drawings and reports are automatically generated by the press of a few buttons. As we see here, Cabinet Pro generates dimensioned wall elevations where you have control over showing only the information you want to show. Although inches are shown here, all screens and drawings may be switched back and forth from inches to millimeters at the press of a button. Cabinet Pro produces dimensioned floor plans where cabinets may be attached to walls or not, with a work triangle joining your sink, refrigerator, and range, showing design flaws, where, in this case, the refrigerator is too far away for convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Cabinet Pro produces cabinet drawings with different doors, drawers, hardware, and material in each opening. Dimensioned cabinet drawings where you can select the information you want displayed. Face frame only, where we offer numerous face frame construction methods. For example, this cabinet can have its face frame made in several ways, such as conventional face frame construction, full-length mullion construction, full-length rail construction, or exposed rail construction. We produce section views that of course can be displayed in either millimeters or inches, as can all drawings. Dimension door drawings with the arc radius displayed for full or cathedral arches, as well as the distances to the middle rails from the bottom of the door. As a side note, the shop drawings and cabinets in this presentation are showing face frame construction. However, as is shown here, the same type of shop drawings will be made when in frameless mode. Cabinet Pro produces numerous Cutlass reports for drawer box parts, door parts, face frame parts, and case parts for the entire job, each displayed in millimeters, fractional inches with heavy or light designations, or decimal inches along with just the information you want displayed. For example, in this report we are showing which sides should be edge banded for each part. Drawer box reports showing the finished dimensions of drawer boxes. This particular report happens to be in millimeters. Material reports showing material needed, number of lineal feet, number of rips for panels, and a host of other information. Assembly reports for each cabinet with the cabinet printed above its full printed cut list. Alternatively, you can opt for the cabinet to be in exploded format. Cabinet Pro produces cabinet labels, part labels, and optimization labels. Many different types of customized door reports, again, showing only that information you want displayed. This report is being shown in millimeters. Reports showing the location of your door hinges that match the automatic CNC drilling of your hinge plate holes on your case parts. CSV files that can be exported directly to razor gauge, AMGA, or Tiger Stop machines, with or without the location of your intersecting face frame styles and rails included. Face frame reports where we may have a diagram of the face frame, a list of its face frame parts, and the style and rail positions that show the locations of intersecting styles and rails for each part. Panel optimization, where you can rotate parts or move parts on the same panel or from one panel to another, and where door and drawer panels may be grain matched. And finally, CNC code for all CNC routers, generating code with no other software needed, and in not only the G code that is shown here, but in other formats such as BSA Works, WoodWop, Hops, ShopBot, and Zilog. Here we have the same job process for the Wiki CNC router in WoodWop. When you transfer the CNC file Cabinet Pro made to your CNC router, simply place the panel designated by Cabinet Pro onto your router and the parts will be cut out with the appropriate machining as is shown in this WoodWop simulator for the Wiki and Homig router. Here we have a pattern of drawer guide holes for the drawer guide used in our base cabinet, and another pattern of drawer guide holes for our drawer bank. We can also use different drawer guides per cabinet. We have our adjustable shelf holes, door hinge plate holes, dowel construction for the cabinet's top, and a dado for our bottom's tenon whose edge is flush to the toe kick. We have our notches and tenons for our cabinet bottoms for blind dado insertion into the cabinet ends. Finally, our dado for the back. But we can have as many machining operations as we wish performed automatically, including blind dado mortise and tenon joints for selected parts. Cabinet Pro's bidding capability is highly versatile to accommodate the pricing methods of all cabinet shops and can generate 3 or 4 bids for the same job, thus giving your customer the choice of which bid best suits his or her needs. This feature also greatly increases the probability of you obtaining the job. We can view the job history of each of our customers, knowing immediately how many payments have been made to any given job, as well as how much money is still owed. And when we are ready, we can have Cabinet Pro subtract the materials and hardware used in our job from our inventory so that we might be prompted when it is time to order a given item because its reorder point has been reached. And to better visualize where money is being spent on a given job, Cabinet Pro generates a number of graphical representations of the bid. We hope you will further investigate Cabinet Pro or Door Pro by navigating through our website, where you will find all of our policies, our prices, and a number of other important areas of interest. If you would like an in-depth demonstration of Cabinet Pro, press the demo button and follow the prompts, where you will end up at our demonstration page. After you have finished watching the videos shown here that are of interest to you, give us a call for a free online demonstration to answer any questions these demo videos may have missed. Again, thank you for visiting, and please feel free to contact us at area 541-664-2808 if you have any questions on Cabinet Pro or Door Pro.